Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Toro 30 lawn striping system is probably one of the most sought-after attachments for homeowners looking to achieve that professional, stadium-quality look on their lawns, transforming a simple green space into a visually stunning masterpiece with perfectly defined stripes that showcase meticulous care and attention to detail. Number 5. Sun Joe Electric Lawn Dethatcher AJ805E. Experience the power of a robust 13-amp motor. It effectively tackles tough thatch, aerates your lawn, and revitalizes grass for healthier, greener growth. Cleanup is a breeze with the spacious, removable collection bag. It easily gathers thatch, debris, and dead grass for a tidier yard. Customize your lawn care with 5-position depth control. Achieve precise and efficient dethatching and scarifying tailored to your lawn's specific needs. Navigate your lawn with ease thanks to 4 durable, easy-glide wheels. This design reduces fatigue and enhances your overall comfort during use. Get 2 essential lawn maintenance tools in one convenient package. Revive and rejuvenate your lawn effortlessly for beautiful results year-round. What we like. This tool offers a powerful motor for deep thatch removal. Its large collection bag simplifies cleanup, and adjustable depth control ensures tailored results. If you have a thick, established lawn with significant thatch buildup and want a cleaner, more efficient dethatching process, you should consider this. What people say. The Toro 30 lawn striping system creates a professional-looking striped lawn. It is easy to attach and detach from the mower. The striping effect lasts for several days, even after mowing. Number 4. Dreyoo Lawn Mower Deck Wash Kit. Introducing the Dreyoo Lawn Mower Deck Wash Kit, designed to make cleaning your lawn mower simple and efficient. This kit ensures your machine stays in top condition with minimal effort. Our kit includes all the necessary components for a quick and easy deck wash. Simply attach it to your lawn mower, connect your hose, and let the water do the work. Installation is straightforward. With just a few simple steps, you can have this attachment ready to go, saving you time and hassle. This versatile tool isn't just for lawn mowers, it's also great for cleaning tractors, washing your dog, or even watering plants. It's a multi-purpose accessory for your gardening needs. Each package contains 2 quick connectors, a steel nozzle, a stainless steel blade, and a nut. Everything you need to efficiently clean your lawn tractor is right here. Designed for compatibility, it works seamlessly with popular brands like Cub Cadet, MTD, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman tractors. Enjoy a clean mower without any compatibility worries. What we like. This kit provides a simple way to clean your mower deck without manual scrubbing. It offers multiple hose attachments for versatility and is quick to install. If you own a riding mower or tractor and dislike the chore of cleaning the underside, this is a great solution for you. What people say. After mowing, I just hook up the hose, spin the blades, and water blasts out the grime for me. No bending, no brush, no hassle. Water pressure flows perfectly, clearing every nook inside the deck. This product attaches to the mower deck, which allows you to connect a standard hose to your riding mower to perform cleaning tasks. I found it super easy to attach, install, and to get the hose attached. Fit the factory deck hole perfectly, great value too in the deal, easy installation, works great. Clean my deck, lower deck all the way down, attach house, turn on water and engage blades, let run about 5 minutes, so far durability is good. Number 3. Toro Lawn Striping System. Introducing the Toro Lawn Striping System, designed to give your lawn a professional, striped look. Achieve perfect stripes with this innovative roller attachment. This system works seamlessly with or without your bagger attachment, offering versatile use. Enjoy the flexibility to stripe your lawn exactly how you want it. The roller is designed for easy removal, making storage a breeze or allowing you to skip striping in certain areas. Transitioning between uses has never been simpler. Get started in no time with its easy assembly process. All you'll need is a standard Phillips screwdriver to put it together. For optimal performance and stunning results, it requires 16 to 20 pounds of dry sand, which is not included. Get ready to transform your lawn's appearance. What we like. This system is designed to give your lawn that professional, striped look. It's versatile, working with or without a bagger, and the roller is easily removable. If you're aiming for a show-quality lawn appearance and want a dedicated tool to achieve those crisp stripes, this is the one to get. What people say. Has enough weight to provide the right striping look once you add the dry sand. It's simple enough to install and does not disappoint. Lays beautiful stripes, and as my wife says, it makes the yard look like a baseball field. Number 2. Toro 20120P30 Timemaster Blade Kit. Introducing the Toro 20120P Timemaster Blade Kit. This is an OEM Toro part designed for optimal performance. Ensure you're using genuine Toro parts with this OEM replacement. It's the original equipment part number 20120P. This blade kit is designed to be compatible with Toro tractors. It's a perfect fit for your existing equipment. It specifically fits Toro models 8 to 32 and 11 to 32 front-engine tractors. Check your manual for exact compatibility. For complete assurance, please refer to your original equipment owner's manual. This will confirm it's the right part for your machine. What we like. This is an original equipment manufacturer blade designed for specific Toro tractor models. It ensures a direct fit and optimal performance for your machine. If you have a compatible Toro tractor and need a reliable, high-quality replacement blade, this is your best bet for maintaining cutting performance. What people say. Good price works well beats sharpening the old ones. Spend the money on these, some off-brand do not give good cut. Great blades for my 30 Toro Timemaster. Number 1. Toro 30 Timemaster Mower Blade Adapter. Introducing the Toro 30 Timemaster Mower Blade Adapter. This genuine OEM part ensures optimal performance for your mower. Crafted to meet original equipment manufacturer standards, it guarantees a perfect fit and reliable operation. Specifically designed for models 20199 and 20200, this adapter is built for durability and efficiency. It directly replaces OEM part number 1205236, making replacement simple and straightforward. Upgrade your mowing experience with this essential component. Keep your Toro Timemaster running smoothly for years to come. What we like. This is a genuine OEM adapter specifically for Toro's 30-inch Timemaster mowers. It guarantees a perfect fit and function, maintaining the integrity of your mower's blade system. If you own a Toro Timemaster and need to replace or service the blade adapter, choosing this genuine part will ensure optimal performance and longevity. What people say. Fits perfectly like original equipment. Fit and works just like OEM part. Arrived quickly. These are OEM parts and fit and work like the original ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.